Today we're making Slutty Brownies, and if you've never heard the name before, it basically comes from the idea that these bars have everything in them. They don't pick a lane, they're a little wild, a little over the top, and honestly, that's the fun of it. I start with a homemade cookie dough base. It's just like classic chocolate chip cookie dough, but I add quick oats to make it a little denser so it can hold up all the layers we're about to stack on top. If you want to make this super easy, you can absolutely use refrigerated cookie dough instead. No judgment, these bars are meant to be low stress. Once the dough is into the greased foil-lined 9x9 pan, we move on to the Oreo cookies. I use about 2 dozen, and I don't crush them. I break them into chunky pieces. You want those big pockets of cookie in every bite. Next comes the brownie layer. I mix my homemade brownie dough with a little espresso for depth, but you can skip it or just use brewed coffee if that's what you have. Pour the brownie dough right over the Oreos and let it settle into all the little crevices. And because we're leaning into chaos, I take the leftover cookie dough and dollop it across the top. Those little golden pockets bake up ever so perfectly. Everything goes into the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, sometimes a little more. But what you want to do is make sure a toothpick comes out almost clean. I did rotate mine once in the oven for an even baking experience as well. Once the Slutty Brownies come out of the oven, you let them cool completely so the layers can set, and then slice them into the most ridiculous ooey gooey over the top brownies ever. They're messy, they're indulgent, and that's exactly why they're called Slutty Brownies. So thanks for coming along with me in the kitchen for this journey into a Slutty Brownie mess. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you'd like to experience more of my simple and sometimes more complex baking and cooking experiences, be sure to subscribe so you'll get notifications for upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.